Netflix makes almost
I thought this channel had a teams of animators, Explain 101 and Money Chunks. Turn out they are pulling 17 million views and 3.5 million in 17 and 13 uploads. Nothing but stick figure, no complex animation. So I searched for how they are actually doing it. Every tutorial said the same thing. Open 6 AI tools, generate the script, generate the image, generate the voiceovers, stitch it together in CapCut and pray nothing breaks. So I tried something completely different. I didn't write a script, I didn't design a character, I didn't write a single scene prompt. I typed one topic into AI using Segmio, wait a few minutes and it handed me a finished Stickman video. Here is the part that's hard to believe. It wrote the script, generate the voiceover, keep the same Stickman character, log in across every single scene, and it was already added before I touch anything. Today I am building one live, start to finish, so you can watch exactly how it holds together. Let's build one live. Topic: How Netflix make money. Step 1. Go to segmio.ai and make a free account. Step 2. Click upload new video, then choose script text. Step 3. This is the new part. Enable the write script with AI toggle. Step 4. Type your topic. I type how Netflix make money. Not a script, not a bullet point, just the idea. Step 5. Select your video length. I choose 30 seconds, but this work the same for 60-second short or an 8-minute breakdown. Now here is the part that actually solves the consistency problem. Below the length setting are two optional fields: visual style reference and character reference. Both are optional. Building a story that need the same character in every scene. Upload one's reference image and Segmio locked every generated visual to it the same thing. For this build, I skipped both. I want to see what Segmio would do completely on it. Click generate. A few minutes passed and the script is ready. If you like it, keep doing. If not, hit regenerate. Mine come out solid on the first try, so I moved on. Pick your voice and quality. Then choose your output format: 16:9 landscape for the YouTube and desktop, or 9:16 portrait for short TikTok and reels. I went landscape. Click upload and transcribe. Wait a few minutes. When it's done, your video is already assembled. Voiceover synced, visual placed, scene typed. Watch it back once before you touch anything else. If it's look good, there's one step people skip, and it's the one that save you from copyright strike on upload day. Click background music, choose Minimax Music 2.6 and generate it. Read your script and build a custom track around the pacing, not a random loop from a stock library. Bring the volume down to somewhere between 3 and 10% depending on the track. You want it felt, not heard over the voiceover. And if you are wondering, whatever this only work for quick explainer like this, it doesn't. Same feature, same reference logged work whether you are building a 30-second breakdown or even 10 episode Stickman series. Go to page header, click render, then click start render. Wait about 5 minutes. That's it. Topic in. Full video out, script, voiceover, consistent visual type scenes, music rendered and ready to download. Upload it anywhere. YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, Reels, doesn't matter. This is exactly how channels like Explainer 101 and Money Chunks get built. Just without 17 video of trial and error to figure out the workflow. You can start on Segmio for free, no card required, and build this exact video yourself. If you are serious about turning this into a channel, there is a 10% discount waiting for you. So use code NEW10. Get stuck anywhere in the process or want another workflow built out, drop it in comment. I will help you solve it. And if this saved you real time, hit subscribe. I build the next one on camera. Okay, I will show you what we made.
Netflix makes almost all of its money from one simple thing: your monthly subscription. Over 300 million people worldwide pay Netflix every single month. Those subscriptions add up to more than $39 billion a year in revenue. But Netflix spends most of that money right back on making and licensing shows and movies. It also offers a cheaper plan with ads, which brings in extra money from advertisers. So the formula is simple: keep you watching, keep you paying, and keep growing.